Imagine a world where technology enhances every aspect of life. A world driven by innovation, collaboration, and forward-thinking solutions. At Lumax, we have been at the cutting edge of technology. Little wonder, we are India's largest supplier of automotive lighting, gear shifters, and interior cockpits. Technology isn't just important for Lumax. It's the very foundation of our approach, empowering us to deliver solutions that redefine what's possible. But our tech-forward approach doesn't stop at lighting. In fact, this approach extends seamlessly to everything we do. Whether it's structures and control systems, mechatronics, or advanced plastics, and green and alternative fuels. At Lumax, the future is not a concept, it's in development. Here, we design technologies that will shape tomorrow, from products already revolutionizing industries to innovations yet to be unveiled. Some of our technologies are already making an impact, revolutionizing manufacturing, transforming the way we think about mobility. Our innovations are powered by long-standing partnerships, working alongside the brightest minds and partners, sharing breakthroughs and accelerating progress together. Our first JV started with Stanley, Japan. Today, we partner with nearly a dozen tech giants across the globe to deliver solutions that hit every checkmark. At Lumax, the future is already in motion. Innovation is the heart of everything we do. Join us in shaping a new India, where technology creates a better, smarter future.